Need a free tool to record your screen or make videos? OBS Studio is one of the best free recording software available, and today I'll show you how to download it. So welcome to our channel. In this video I'll guide you step by step on how to download OBS Studio safely from the official website. So first open your browser and search for OBS Studio. Click on the official OBS Studio website. After that, choose the version that matches your computer. After the download is complete, now open the installer file from your downloads folder. After that, follow the installation instructions on your screen and wait until the installation process finishes. After that, OBS Studio will be installed on your computer and ready to use. That's it. You have successfully downloaded OBS Studio. If this guide helped you, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more simple technology tutorials and press the bell icon. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.